Mm. Okay, wait. What's your name?
Dancing.
That's right. How old are you?
It's stuck.
Yeah, you're stuck. How old are you? Excuse
Help.
me. How old are you?
2.
That's right. Can you say hello? Can you say gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Can you say beautiful? Say beautiful.
It's really
Wait, can you say beautiful?
really. Oh
Okay, can you say goodnight?
no. Don't.
Say I love you.
Hello.
Say have a good day.
Every day.
No, say have a good day.
Every day.
Can you say I miss you?
I miss you.
Can you say hi, Bane?
Hi, babe.
Do you love Bane?
No.
Oh no, that's a big lie.
Oh
Oh no, what?
no. It's stuck.
You're stuck. What do you want?
Help.
Why, you want to get up? Do you want to get out?
Don't.
What's your name?
Don't.
Okay, what's your name?
Don't.
Your name is not get out. Tell me your name and I'll let you go. What's your name? Oh no, look, oh no. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say good night.
Good night.